Welcome to my channel. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Animal Adventures. Today we are going to meet some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Here comes the mighty lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle. They have big manes and love to roar loudly. Can you roar like a lion? Wow, look at the giant elephant. Elephants have long trunks to pick up food and drink water. Did you know their big ears keep them cool? Flap your arms like elephant ears. Jumping into the scene is a cheeky monkey. Monkeys love swinging from trees and eating bananas. Can you swing your arms like a monkey? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Whoa, it's a giraffe. Giraffes have super long necks to reach tasty leaves at the top of tall trees. Let's stretch our necks like a giraffe. Here come the penguins. Penguins waddle on ice and love sliding on their bellies. Can you waddle like a penguin? Wiggle, wiggle. Look at the zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, and no two zebras have the same pattern. Let's pretend to gallop like a zebra. Slow and steady. Here comes the turtle. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. Isn't that amazing? Crawl like a turtle, slowly. Fluttering in is a beautiful butterfly. Butterflies start as tiny caterpillars and turn into colorful butterflies. Can you flap your arms like butterfly wings? Splish splash. Here's a dolphin. Dolphins live in the ocean and are super playful. They love to jump out of the water. Let's pretend to swim like a dolphin. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is a dog. Dogs are loyal and love playing fetch. Can you bark like a dog? Wasn't that fun? Remember, animals are amazing and we should always be kind to them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more adventures. Bye bye.